Welcome to Tasty Tuesdays, where each week we'll highlight a healthy, tasty recipe that kids can make with their parents. This program is brought to you by Jackson County 4-H agent Caroline Chappell and Family and Consumer Sciences agent Terri.
Today's recipe is for peanut butter muffins. Begin by preheating the oven to 375 degrees and gathering the ingredients. You'll need 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 eggs, 1 cup of skimmed milk, 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once you have your ingredients, you want to mix them in stages.
Let's get started. First, you'll beat the wet ingredients together. Go ahead and add the peanut butter and honey to a deep bowl. Then you'll use your mixer to make sure that they're well blended. Add the eggs in one at a time. It helps if you crack them into a bowl first in case any shells fall in. In between adding each egg, use a spatula to scrape the sides down. After you're done adding all your eggs, go ahead and add the milk and mix it in.
In a separate bowl, add in all the dry ingredients and stir them together. Be sure to use dry measuring cups and level up the top to get the right amount. Add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and then stir it until it's just moistened. Be careful not to stir it too much. For the next step, put cupcake liners in a muffin tin and fill each one 2/3 full of batter.
Once you've filled your muffin tin, you'll go ahead and bake your muffins for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Next, you'll carefully remove the muffins from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool. You can use a spoon to gently pop them up from the pan. Once you've got them on your cooling rack, you can let them cool for 10 minutes before serving. We recommend pairing them with jelly or jam and a glass of milk.
This recipe was adapted from ChooseMyPlate.gov. The link will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to click the like button, show us your creation in the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can follow our Facebook page.